In the last video lecture we were here potential difference between 2 points in electric field. Now I will start from here. We will find out what is the relation between electric field intensity and potential difference. So relation between electric field intensity and electric potential at a point in electric field. Suppose this is a plus q charge placed at O, and at a distance r from this plus q charge there is a point A. Now we know that electric field intensity at this point is given by the formula 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by r square into r, and electrical potential is 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So here are two graphs showing the variation of electric field intensity with distance. This graph shows the variation of electric field intensity with distance. Suppose this is graph number 1, and this graph shows the variation of electrical potential with distance. Suppose at this point value of V is V0, then at a distance, as distance becomes double 2 times, then potential becomes half. But here as distance becomes 2 times, electric field intensity becomes 1/4. Now we will derive a formula for relation between electric field intensity and electrical potential. So relation between electric field and electric potential. Suppose here is a uniform electric field and we put a plus q naught test charge at point A. Now this plus q naught charge will experience a force in the direction of field which is given by F is equal to q into E. Now suppose potential at this point is VA. Now if we displace this plus q naught charge from A to B against the electrostatic force, and suppose distance is delta x, then we have to do some work, means external agent will do some work. Okay, so if potential difference between B and A is delta V, then delta V is equal to VB minus VA, and this is equal to WAB upon Q naught, where Q naught is test charge. Now work done against electrostatic force in bringing charge Q naught. This is Q naught, which is test charge. From A to B, WAB is equal to force into displacement. Force is Q naught into E, and displacement is minus delta x, because we may say that we are moving in negative x direction, or if you calculate work done by this force and displacement, then angle between force and displacement is 180 degree. So here is a minus sign. Now WAB is equal to minus Q naught E into delta x. So WAB upon Q naught is equal to minus E into delta x. Now compare first and second. Okay, so comparing first and second, delta V is equal to minus E into delta x, or E is equal to minus delta V by delta x. So electric field intensity at a point in electric field is negative of the rate of change of potential with distance. This is also known as delta V by delta x, potential gradient. Negative sign shows that as we move in the direction of field, potential decreases. So direction of electric field is from higher potential to lower potential. So here to get the positive value of delta V, we should write it VA minus VB, because VA is more than VB. Now electric field intensity is a vector quantity, while electrical potential is a scalar quantity. So E is negative of the potential gradient. We may do the same exercise by taking a electric field due to a point charge plus Q. So suppose this is a point charge plus Q, and at B a test charge plus Q naught is kept. We bring this plus Q naught charge from B to C. A small displacement is delta x, and we will get the same formula now. If delta x is infinitely small, डेल्टा एक्स टेंस टू जीरो, डेल्टा एक्स अगर अनंत रूप से सूक्ष्म है, जीरो नहीं है लेकिन टेंडिंग टुवर्ड्स जीरो है, देन वी मे राइट डी एक्स फॉर डेल्टा एक्स and dv for delta v. So E is equal to minus dv by dx. It is in the differential form. We may also write is dv is equal to minus E dx. If we know the value of electric field intensity at a point, then potential difference between 2 points whose distance is dx, dv will be equal to minus E dx. So dv is change in potential. Now relation between potential at a point and electric field intensity. We may get this relation by integrating it. Here this is plus q charge, this is point B where we have to find out potential. So we bring a unit charge from infinity to point B, then Vv will be equal to minus sign of integration E dx, and limits are from infinity to B. Here distance is B. Now if we write this distance as r, suppose we write b is equal to r, then vb is equal to minus sine of integration infinity to r e dx. So as E is equal to minus dv by dx, we may write is dv is equal to minus E dx. So if we want to find the potential difference between 2 points B and A, suppose Vf is final potential, Vi is initial potential, then Vf minus Vi will be equal to integration of this. We are bringing from a distance r2 to a distance r1 plus q naught charge. We are bringing plus q naught charge from a distance r2 to a distance r1 from a plus q charge, and we are interested in finding the potential difference between these 2 points B and A due to potential due to plus q charge. So this will be equal to integration minus sine r2 to r1 E dot dx. If E and dx, angle between E and dx is theta, then we will write it E dx. So it is in terms of x-axis. Suppose you may also take in place of dx dr, then result will be like this. V final minus V initial is equal to minus integration limit r2 to r1 e dr. Thanks.